Remember back when things were not this way, and now I had to make the hardest choice I've ever made, to say goodbye to you for a long, long time. They seem to be the right choice in my mind, singing songs of a future, not our past. Say goodbye for now, not to last. I'm doing the time, and I know you'll be alright, 'cause in 10 years our love will be free. I've got to go